In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Social Security retirement benefits online. To get started, go to the official Social Security application page. Once the page loads, select the option to apply for Social Security benefits. This will take you into the online application process. From there, you'll be asked who you want to apply for. Choose the option that matches your situation, then continue to the next screen. After that, you'll see a question asking what type of benefit you want to apply for. Here, select retirement. This is the correct category if you're applying for Social Security retirement benefits online. On the next part of the page, you may also see Supplemental Security Income, sometimes called SSI. Select that option as shown in the process, then click on Learn how to apply. This section is helpful because it gives you more information about programs you may qualify for and what the application experience will look like. Take a moment to review the information on eligibility and available benefits. This is useful because Social Security may show additional programs or related benefits that could apply to your situation. Reading through this section can help you understand the full picture before you move forward. Next, you'll have the option to answer a few questions or skip that part if you prefer. If you want extra guidance, answering the questions can help point you in the right direction. If you already know what you need, you can simply skip ahead. After that, choose Start or Continue an application. This is where the actual online filing process begins. You'll then be asked whether you're applying for yourself or for someone else. Select the correct option carefully, since this determines how the application is set up. The next step is signing in. Use login.gov to access the system if you already have an account. If you don't, you'll need to create an account before continuing. Make sure you complete the sign-in process using the official government website and keep your login details stored somewhere secure for future access. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to continue through the rest of the Social Security application portal. As you go, read each page carefully and make sure the information you enter is accurate. Even small mistakes can slow down processing, so it's worth taking an extra minute to review everything before submitting. And that's how to begin applying for Social Security retirement benefits online. Follow each screen carefully, use the official Social Security site, and move at a pace that helps you submit your application correctly.